Good morning, good evening. Hello, everyone. Guys, this is Dups The Genius. The future is wireless, and the future of schooling is on the cloud. This is my first video of Genius Tuition Institute, which is my creation. I would like to thank God for giving me to can take this yoke on my shoulder the past 19 years. And I would also like to say thank you to all those parents who supported me and my vision. Now, as my vision is coming to life, and I am going live. This will be my first video and my first introduction. I'm a tutor, a qualified, well-renowned mathematician who worked at several schools, Free State and Gauteng province. So, guys, wherever I went, I gathered knowledge. I met with people of different types of thinking, and I grasped a lot of knowledge. So, guys, I just want to show you how you can tackle question paper, that is paper 1, question 1 of your final matric examination. First of all, I would like you to use this strategy that I use. USA. U stands for understanding, S speed, A accuracy. You need to understand the questions clearly, and you also need to understand what you are going to do and apply. And you must understand what you are going to write. When you do all these things, speed is a very crucial factor. But even though you do this on a high speed, you must always make sure that what you do is accurate. That is why I use understanding, speed, and accuracy. So guys, you are just about to turn a new leaf and get into a new life of your schooling. That is tertiary institutions. So let's start. Paper 1. The structure is just like this. Question 1. All over the years, paper 1 is solve for x. And then the second is simultaneous equation. And the last part will be some quiz. So in solve for x, you are going to solve quadratic equations. Sometimes sets are also included there and exponents. So the next thing is you are also going to solve. You are going to be given one inequality. So this is it, guys. Now let me show you. I just want to show you how we do this. Let us check. This is question 1, and as you can see, it's paper 1. And the total marks, it's plus minus 24. And if you check that, divide that by 3, that will give you 8. So that question 1 only costs 8% of the total examination. So this is not a question to be left out. So guys, I just want to show you, the first question is solve for x. Then you have 2 factors, and on that other side you have 2 terms. Solve for x. And then the next one is 2x squared plus x minus 5 equals 0. You apply quadratic is an inequality, whereas the fourth is a solution where you have to use the sets. That is by finding the square roots of both sides. Now the trick there is just to leave that which is under the square root sign on its own side and the rest on the other side. And then you square both sides. Fine. 1.2, that is simultaneous equation, substitution. And then that is the quiz. The quiz. Now, what I want us to do now, guys, is let us just check on the first. Going to show you this. Look at that. I'm going to explain to you, showing you how we do this. Now, if you look at this, this is x squared, x squared minus 4x, and then that equals to 4 minus x. You transpose everything to one side, and then you're going to get this, which is x squared minus 4x plus x minus 4, and that equals, the next line is x squared minus 3x. And how did you get minus 3x? It's due to this. Minus 4x plus x is minus 3, so minus 4. And this is a standard form of a quadratic equation. So in order not to miss this, what you need to do, guys, is to make sure that this is in standard form. Here your A is 1, your B is minus 3. Don't forget, take it together with its sign. And your C is minus 4. Write them on the side and then write the formula. I normally ask people not to write this. You must learn this by heart, because it is also on your question papers. So guys, this is very important. Now you substitute, and then after substituting, what you're gonna get, you are going to get this. You're going to get x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 1. And when you substitute in this, that is the first equation, your left hand side must be equal to the right hand side. That means if you take in 4 here, 4 squared is 16, then minus 12, 16 minus 12 gives you 4, 4 minus 4, that is 0. Now the equation balances. Now if you take minus 1, put it there, minus 1 squared is 1, then minus 3 minus 1 into minus 1, it's positive 3, plus 1, that is 4, 4 minus 4, that also gives you 0. That is why I say they are both solutions. Now that's it. They are both solutions because they satisfy the same equation. So guys, let us now move to the second. If we move to the second, you'll get this. This is a quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx, where our b is 1, then plus c equals. Now, how do you do? Whenever you find a situation like this, just make sure that you quadratic equation. Our a is 2, b is 1, and then your c is minus 5. And then what do? Make use of this quadratic formula, substitute each and every variable by its number, and then find the x values. Now guys, I just want to make it clear that you have to know your formulas by heart, because this is very, very, very important. Now guys, you are also asked to make sure that whenever you feel that you cannot do the correct factorization, never use it. Use quadratic formula. So guys, this is how we do it. And again, I'll also task you to make sure that you complete the other parts. Just complete the other part of number 1 up to, 1.1 up to 1.3. I've already stated that what to do on that. And then just make sure that you get to that. And then that's it, guys. Now, I just want to tell you that I'm based in Lady Brand, and I'm known all over South Africa in mathematics, and I am going to help you to achieve your goals, guys. Let us make it happen. Let us do it. So, guys, mathematics is not difficult. What you need to do is put more effort to your work and be honest. Wherever you don't understand, make sure that you seek necessary assistance. Your teachers are there, and then I am also available. You can contact me at 072 042 3417. I repeat, it's me, Dups the Genius. So make sure that you contact me at 072 042 3417. Thank you. This is the beginning, and now we are going to make it happen. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, together we can make it happen. And remember that it takes courage to fulfill what you want to get. Your destination is already written. You are the architecture of your own fortune. Thank you, thank you. And guys, if you want to get my videos, make sure that you search Genius Tuition Institute on Telegram. Get it. And make sure that you also on the YouTube videos, and you will never regret. This is the beginning. We are going to go live. Thank you, thank you, thank you.